Do you like cow, sheep, or chicken?
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Nostri and I'm very happy to see you all. Today I would like to present our wonderful school, TK Mutiara.
Once you come to our school, you are family. You are invited to become the part of a loving, supportive family. We welcome all families and treasure each child with the love of Christ. It is our priority to teach children to build character. We use Montessori method and materials for cognitive and sensorial development. Children enjoy learning activities in an engaging, global, and multicultural environment. Our kindergarten loves and serves the children in Cikarang area with the love of our Lord Jesus Christ. Our kindergarten cares, trains, and equips the young generation of Indonesia with character, skills, and sound mind to lead the world by offering creative solutions. We teach each child to grow in faith, character, and awareness of one's environment by developing real-life skills. We guide each child in laying strong and healthy foundations. We help each child experience the joy of learning every day. Now, allow me to show you our charming classrooms and facilities. Whenever children enter our facility, we greet every child with all our love and with warm smiles. TK Mutiara is located on the ground floor of the main building of Keduplex. Our kindergarten is filled with bright natural sunlight with a view of lambs and cows grazing on the near hillside. Our kindergarten features spacious and delightful classrooms, Montessori materials, a library filled with English literature books, a PE room, musical instruments, art supplies, and a playground. Outdoor facilities and activities include sand play, water play, parachute bubbles, and so much more. We also have a reliable school van pickup service for picking up or dropping off students. Last but not least, TK Mutiara boasts a daycare facility comprising of fun toys, a clean and comfortable environment, and kind staff members. Our school runs from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and we use English as the primary language. We have different classes according to age and developmental readiness. We accept children who are already potty trained and at least 3 years old. We utilize the Montessori and government curriculum as main teaching guidelines. In Teka Mutiara, our main focus is on character build-up. Therefore, we teach basic manners and grace, social skills, and how to understand and control their emotions. We also teach practical life skills from shoelacing to cutting and buttoning, and sensorial skills. Our main subjects include English, Math, Geography, Science, PE, Music, Art and Craft, and more. We do not forget to schedule field trips, picnics, swimming, celebrate birthdays and holidays. In this pandemic time, we bring school to homes. When the pandemic hit the world in March 2020, we switched to interactive online school by collaborating with parents right away. We utilize Zoom meetings and Google Classroom for interactive home learnings. Interactive learning includes daily circle time, daily subject lessons, and weekly one-on-one lessons. Children are encouraged to do chores and suggested activities with the help of their parents. Our school supplies all necessary learning materials, including worksheets, art and craft materials, and many more. We also make sure classes are not so crowded. That means all classes are carried out in smaller groups of less than 5. This helps students focus better and interact better. Taking advantage of online classes, we invite special guest friends from local and international places for global multicultural learning. Children are advised to have a study corner at home and to encourage them to do online classes with less help from parents. Teka Mutiara also provides access to Khan Academy Kids and Epic, a reading application where tons of books are available.
Now, that you know more about Teka Mutiara. Are you interested? If so, please come visit us and contact us here. Thank you for watching and see you at Teka Mutiara.